Now let's give Brandy a fashion look with smoky eyes. With my 330 brush, I apply graphite eyeshadow to her lid, starting on the outside corner, keeping my brush flat against her skin, sweeping it along her lid. Adding more graphite, I continue my application all over her lid, keeping my brush flat in a stipple and slide motion to keep the color where I want it, and bring it up to the crease area in a somewhat curved shape first. Then again with the 330 brush, I load it with a small amount of graphite eyeshadow and apply it to the lower lash line, starting at the outer corner, blending slightly away from the eye to create a soft, smoky edge. You can use your sponge to clean up any areas that need as you go. I repeat the process under the eye on the other side. Now I load my 800 brush with ESPRESSO eyeshadow and add some warmth to the crease of the eye, which will help to blend the graphite edge. I dust off any excess under her eyes with the 510 large fan brush. Then with the 300 brush, I load it with ONYX eyeshadow and carefully place the ONYX on the lash line, sweeping up in short, concentrated strokes and blend it over the graphite on the lid. Then, as I apply the ONYX to the other eye, I start at the inner corner, carefully keeping control of the brush and the color for a cleaner look, and blending up over the lid in short, concentrated strokes, going back to check the other eye to watch for balance. Then again, with the 800 brush, I apply some pink grapefruit along the edge of the crease color to help blend and brighten the eyes. With the 210 wedge brush, I apply ONYX very close to the lower lashes to create more depth and definition, and along the top of the lower lashes on the waterline carefully. Then some finishing touches of ONYX on the upper lid to create a soft yet dramatic lift to the outer corner. And that's our smoky eye for the fashion look.